How to save Snapchat messages automatically. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can save Snapchat messages automatically. In order to do this procedure, first of all, update your application and then go ahead and log it into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page and then go to your chats page. There's no such settings or direct method of saving the chats automatically on your Snapchat. So what you can do is, if you want to save the chats, then you can just go ahead and open up the application and open up the chat page, and let's say that this is the one that I wish to save. So you can just go ahead and long press on it and then click on save in chat. Once you see that the chat has been saved, so this is one way of saving your chat on Snapchat. Or else the other way to save the chats on Snapchat is that you can just go ahead and open up their profile, and then you can just go ahead and tap the three dot icon, go to chats and notification, and then go to delete chat. After that, you can just go ahead and tap on this option that says 24 hours after viewing. Now the chats won't be deleted unless and until it has reached 24 hours. Now the chats will be automatically saved. So that's how you can save Snapchat chat. So that's how you can save Snapchat messages automatically. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.